Hello, I'm Cynthia from Locksley Distilling Company. Welcome to our cocktail series. Today I'm going to be making a Chocolate Cherry Bakewell Sour. I like to design cocktails with people in mind, so when Andrew from season 7 of Bake Off asked me to make a cocktail for him using our cacao nib liqueur, I jumped at the chance. His favorite cocktail is an Amaretto sour until he's had this. Now this is his favorite cocktail. So it is 40 milliliters of our cacao nib liqueur. $20 milliliters of Amaretto. $15 milliliters of Maraschino Liqueur to get that cherry element of a chocolate cherry bakewell. $15 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice for the sour element. And an egg white to get that nice meringue foamy top. And I'm going to be doing a reverse dry shake, which means I'll be shaking it with ice first, then straining the ice off and shaking again to build up the foam on the egg white. So that is nice and chilled, but now I'm going to strain it off of the ice and shake it again to build up the foam. You can really smell that almond coming through from the Amaretto. And then I'm going to get rid of the ice and shake it again. Really want to build up that foam and gives a good tricep workout as well. All right, looks nice and foamy, and this will be strained into a chilled coupe. And I do go a little over the top with the garnish for this one. Take some of the syrup from maraschino cherries and make a circle. And then with a cocktail stick, and there is your Chocolate Cherry Bakewell Sour. It's pudding in a glass. Cheers.